Ndewo, welcome to lesson 6. Today, we will learn how to describe people in Igbo. This includes physical appearance and personality traits. Let's begin. Here are some common words for describing how someone looks. Ogologo means tall. Mkpụmkpụ means short. Oji means dark. Ocha means light or fair. Mma means beautiful. Njo means ugly, though we rarely use it to describe people. Let's learn some personality words. Obioma means kind. Ihere means shy. Okeoku means talkative. Ujo means fearful or scared. Obike means brave. Maraihe means is smart. Let's put the words in sentences. Nwanne nwanyị dị mkpụmkpụ. My sister is short. Nna m bụ nwoke ogologo. My father is a tall man. Ọ bụ nwanyị mara mma. She is a beautiful woman. Nna ochie m bụ nwoke obiọma. My grandfather is kind. Now, you try translating these sentences into Igbo. 1. She is tall. Ọ dị ogologo. My mother is light-skinned. Nne m dị ọcha. He is shy. Ọ na-eme ifere or ihere. My brother is smart. Nwanne m nwoke maara ihe. Try this activity. Say, my friend is tall and kind. Say, she is smart. Say, he is dark and brave. You can use the new vocabulary you just learned. Now let's review. Words like mkpụmkpụ, ọcha, mma, ụjọ, obike, and obiọma will help you describe people. For homework, describe 2 people you know in Igbo. It could be your friend, your parent, or even yourself. Phrase of the day is Agwa bụ Mmadu. A person's beauty is the character. In the next lesson, we'll talk about hobby in Igbo. Kade.